hakotorni rungbuttangno teibo skangroi tlangna bagui saitokmung nukjagui tongo hakotor gwnangui. Nukjakha omo haino ISRO ni saitokmani bai Sonamura ni Girls High Secondary School lo phunukjakha ISRO ni tangbwtang rokno talo thangmani simi podre por space o thangmani butangno bas malkhung bai khaibui phunukjakha November talni salni siba salmariwo phunukjakha podre por tangbwtang ISRO ni samung rokno kaisa panda khaimani bisitei teibo rungsrungnai rokno khara kroi tei hakotorni rungsrungma butangno teibo skangrona bagui saitongmungni bagui no mahai khaijago honai sajakha pandani bisitei.
I feel very privileged and honored to be here in this big program organized by ISRO and held in the Sonamura School. So it is, as rightly said by Mr. Man, it is a day of the students to get inspired from ISRO and to learn about science and tech, how it is developing in India. Once ISRO was denied of the access of the launching station of USA to launch their satellite, and they used to carry their parts of the rocket from in their bicycle. I think, if I am not wrong, in 1963 around. At that time, it was very sad for our India because we were